Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another Amazon haul. There's not too many things in here, and I did get something from the Dollar Tree or Dollar Store, something like that. So first, I picked up some of these guys. You can get them off AliExpress, but right now I'm not having the best luck, okay? So it comes in a pack of 6. I believe these were like $8, not too bad. And the main reason I got it was for these guys. So many people put a crystal in the middle of these gold, beautiful little guys, whatever they're called, doodads, whatever. So I picked this guy up specifically for these, but I'm not mad at the rest of them. So those are the circle ones. This one has a pineapple, has a few numbers, forks and knives, some lips, a cat, parrot, Eiffel Tower, some bars, some glasses. So these are very like novelty fun. And these guys, there's a snowflake, flowers, more flowers. I'm pretty sure that's a snowflake. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that's a snowflake. So yeah, these are cute. This one's kind of a mess, kind of spilled, but it's fine. Looks like V's, diamonds, some other things, and some other things. These have little circles, little half moon. I got some shells in there. Got some triangles. I kind of like these really bigger type beads. These are like those hollow kind of puffed beads. Tiny, tiny, tiny squares in there. I love that. I'm actually really excited for this one. I like that one. And then these ones are also fun. I thought these would be fun to do kind of like a galaxy type nail with all the hearts, stars, moons and stars, and there's different stars, different moons. Like, it's just so cute. So I do have a couple more of these, so I gotta figure out how I want to organize them. Second thing I got, this is from the Dollar Store, Dollar Tree, I can't remember. Lisette. If you don't know who she is, I will link her below. She has such a good video on organizing her foils using this, and I'm really excited to do that. I originally had them in the clear with the blue, and I'm hoping that these will work better. One thing about my foils though, I don't know if she just had really good luck with her foils, but my foils don't like stay wrapped. So I'm hoping that they'll work in this, because like she was putting 2 in each one. I thought that'd be great. Like if I wanted flowers, I'd grab flowers. So I picked up 9 of these. I don't think you need to see 9 of the same containers. So since my lights are pretty bright, here's a silver package, which may not be any better. That's not any better. I have nothing that I can use to show you guys. So there are 4 little containers this way, 3 this way, and then this one is a larger one. So, oh, I'm an idiot. Oh guys, I'm telling you, 2020. So yeah, I'm excited to do this, and if I'm successful, you'll see a video. If not, then you won't. So you'll know. Next thing, since we're on the topic of Lisette, whoopsies. She got these tips, and if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know I hate tips with gel. Whoopsies. That's fine. You weren't going to use that tip anyway, whichever one it is. And I literally hate them so much because they always curve, and I like mine to go straight out. So even when I have longer nails, obviously my nails are short because I just chopped them off because I just felt like it. You just ever get that? Anyway, so she recommended these. She was showing them, and she's like, yeah, what I really like about them is that they are straight. And sure enough, they are straight out. Look at that. Straight out. I love that. So I definitely hurried myself to Amazon, ordered them. I don't know if you can get them off AliExpress or not. I'm sure you can, because you can pretty much get everything off there. These I think were like $15. They had the clear ones, and then they also had the like natural color, almost like the shade of Natural Fiber from Light Elegance, like kind of like that milky kind of color. And I only picked up the clear for now because like if I'm doing tips, usually there might be like clear under it, or like I'm doing a clear tip type thing. Also, in the middle of my swatching of the new fall collection from Light Elegance and some other ones I picked up, your girl ran out of swatch sticks. So I hurried to Amazon, picked them up, and then I'm swatching and they're just a little bit shorter. And I was like, are you kidding me? It's fine, I'm not that picky. I mean, I'm picky, so, but this also comes with rings. So some come with like sticks and some come with rings. Sticks, I mean like bars. I chose one with rings because I have mine on rings. And since I got more, I might go ahead and take the colors down even more than what they are right now, because I have definitely taken off, I think, my neutrals, not these neutrals, like my gray, white, and silver. So yeah, had to pick up more of these because I definitely needed these. And then the last thing are these shells. These are from Amazon. I do know you can get them off AliExpress, but you know, we in a weird time. So it comes in a 3-pack. You have this one, which, okay, so obviously some of these are not the color of shells, but they're just really pretty. So I picked them up anyway. And what I liked about this is that they're individual here, so you can kind of like have them exactly how you want it. I'm debating color coding them, meaning I'll take them out and put like the teals together, but also I kind of like how they are because this set is not as, I don't know how to put it, not as pearlized. It's still pearl, but like it doesn't seem as pearlized as this set. Like if you see that like pink right there, look at how pearlized that is. I guess I could do apples to apples, but I really like this one. And then these are like the deeper ones, but look at how pearlized these ones are too. So I like the options, so you can add like different depths of shells. But even better, I have to organize my stuff, y'all. I'm telling you, my stuff is everywhere. So I have these, and I did get these off AliExpress. So I feel like I used the black ones recently. I don't remember in what though. See, this isn't even shell. That is something else. So I thought it would be good. I can like mix them. Some are bigger. Like how cute would that be? A little bit more orange, or like even do, I have an idea. Don't worry about it. I will do it later. All right. So those are my goodies. And I did get a haul in from Lantern and Wren, but I'm not going to include that in this one because this is an Amazon haul. So I'm demoing some foil gel in that one too. So I'm just saying you might want to look at it, because if you've been with my other videos, yeah. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.